Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best open source network monitoring tools for 2026 and what are the important things to be aware of. So first thing first, the very popular one is Zabbix. This is the enterprise grade powerhouse. So you can have comprehensive monitoring, automatic first design, template integrations, multi-protocol support and always on vigilance and proactive alerting. So this is very good for the organization needing deep visibility without constant manual oversight. Now another one that is like also important one is Isinga. So Isinga is modular architecture, so plugin based approach monitor servers, networks and entire infrastructures, unified dashboard, Nagios compatibility, minimal migration effort and flexible integrations. So this is kind of like the one that you can actually see for yourself, and you can have also the forever free edition, so that's very good. Now another one is Prometheus. So this is kind of like another one that I personally really like. So Prometheus network monitoring, another one that you can actually check out for yourself. So you're gonna have query language, no preset limitations. You can create custom alerts, visualizations and reports, perfect scaling, near real-time graphing, Grafana integrations and time series focus. So this is like Prometheus is very good for kind of like the alternatives for you to check out, and it's open source. So that's like also very good. Now the next one is called also Nagios. So with this one, you can have industry pioneer. So introduce countless IT teams to network monitoring, also proven stability, then massive plugin ecosystem, free core version, enterprise option, global deployment, and then also another one is called Cacti. So that's like another one for you to check out for yourself. So you can have great data visualization focus, long-term trend analysis, SNMP mastery, historical insights, granular control. So plenty of things, and this is something that you can also check out for yourself. And Observium, that's like another one. So with the Observium, what you can actually check out for yourself is that you're gonna have minimal setup required, so visual appeal and automation out of the box. Also network mapping, unlimited devices, auto discovery, API integration, advanced alerting, instant gratification. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are the kind of like the things that you can actually check out for yourself. I hope some of these are going to be beneficial for you, that what you can actually see for yourself. And thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.